Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome back. Hope you will be fine, safe and healthy. Now, today we continue our chapter number 3, that is biodiversity of biology. First of all, we revise our previous topic. What is biodiversity? Biodiversity. Bio means life and diversity means variation. Biodiversity is the variety, the differences between the living organisms. In this chapter, we study about the biodiversity. In this chapter, first of all, we study about the biodiversity. What is the importance of biodiversity? The importance of biodiversity, they give us food for human beings, production of drugs, industrial benefits of biodiversity, relation with ecosystems, etc. Now, the next topic is classification of organisms. What is classification? Classification is actually the arrangement of the living organisms into groups and subgroups on the basis of similarities and differences. Now, today our topic is hierarchy of taxonomy. Hierarchy of taxonomy. Swedish naturalist Carolus Linnaeus proposed a system of different ranks or levels for the classification of organisms. Such ranks are called taxa. The singular is taxon. The taxa are arranged like a ladder. Ladder means एक सीढ़ी की तरह इसकी arrangement है. It starts the largest unit of the hierarchy of taxonomy is kingdom. Kingdom is the largest unit, while species is the smallest and basic unit of the classification in taxonomy. So, what is species? Species क्या चीज़ है? It is the basic and smallest unit of classification. They have the same number of chromosomes. Same species have same number of chromosomes. For example, the human beings is a species, and all human beings have 46 number of chromosomes. They have constant number of chromosomes. So we can define species, a group of organisms that can naturally interbreed and produce fertile offspring is called species. The next is genus. Genus is a group of species that are similar in some characters. The next is family, the closely related genera. Genera is the plural of genus. Closely related genera are grouped into a family. Order, closely related families are grouped into one order. Class, closely related orders are grouped into a class. Phylum, closely related classes are grouped into a phylum. Kingdom, which is the largest unit of classification, and the related phyla. Phyla किसे कहते हैं? Phyla is actually the plural of phylum. Phylum singular है and phyla is plural. The related phyla are grouped into kingdom. इसके बाद नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है हमारा कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ अबू उस्मान उमर अल जाहिज. हु इज़ अबू उस्मान उमर अल जाहिज? अबू उस्मान उमर अल जाहिज was a Muslim scientist and he contributed a lot in the field of biology. He wrote a book of animals which is Kitab al-Hayawan. In this book he explained the characters of 350 species of animals. He also explained about the social organization of ants. He knew that some insects are responsive to light and used this information to suggest a clever way of getting rid of mosquitoes and flies. So this is the contribution of Abu Usman Umar al-Jahiz in the field of biology. फिर इसके बाद the next topic is the history of classification system. So the first classification system is called two kingdom system of classification. Two kingdom system of classification. जैसे कि इसके नाम से जाहिर है, it consists of two kingdoms. It is proposed by a Swiss scientist Carolus Linnaeus in 1753, and in these two kingdoms he arranged all the living things just only in two kingdoms, which is kingdom Plantae and the second is kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Plantae, he include all green plants, algae, fungi and bacteria in Kingdom Plantae. In Kingdom Animalia, he include all unicellular as well as multicellular animals. नाउ लिमिटेशंस ऑफ टू किंगडम सिस्टम, लिमिटेशन कमी बेशी, खामियाँ, डिस्क्रिपेंसीज जो कि टू किंगडम सिस्टम में पाई गई और उसके बाद टू किंगडम सिस्टम को रिजेक्ट किया गया और 5 किंगडम सिस्टम आया। ठीक है, तो टू किंगडम सिस्टम को किस बेस पे रिजेक्ट किया, इसमें क्या लिमिटेशंस थी? द फर्स्ट वन, यूग्लिना इन किंगडम प्लांटी। यूग्लिना हैव प्लांट लाइक एज वेल एनिमल लाइक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स। तो यूग्लिना को हम किंगडम प्लांटी में नहीं रख सकते क्योंकि इसमें प्लांट और एनिमल दोनों की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स खूबियाँ पाई जाती हैं। दिस सिस्टम डिड नॉट क्लियर द डिफरेंस बिटवीन प्रोकैरियोट्स एंड यूकैरियोट्स एंड द थर्ड डिस्क्रिपेंसी इज फंजाई आर वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम प्लांट्स सो इट शुड नॉट बी इंक्लूडेड इन किंगडम प्लांटी। फंजाई क्या है? फंजाई हीटरोट्रॉफ्स हैं जबकि प्लांट्स ऑटोट्रॉफ्स हैं। फंजाई कैन नॉट प्रिपेयर देयर ओन फूड वाइल प्लांट्स कैन प्रिपेयर देयर ओन फूड। दोनों में ज़मीन आसमान का डिफरेंस पाया जाता है, फ़र्क पाया जाता है, इसलिए इन दोनों को एक किंगडम में नहीं रखा जा सकता, नहीं रख सकते। सो दीज आर द लिमिटेशंस, दीज आर द डिस्क्रिपेंसीज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ विच दिस किंगडम सिस्टम इज रिजेक्टेड। सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द टुडे टॉपिक, दिस इज द समरी ऑफ द टुडेज टॉपिक। ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़।